Hey YouTube, today we're going to try something different. Let's jump right into YouTube. Let's go ahead and get the music started. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and create a new document. We're going to call this grabber.py. Let's get into it. We're going to import several things here, starting with the OS. We're going to import time. Wish we could do that. Import subprocess. We're going to import pyautogui. That's going to come in handy. We are also from moviepy.editor. We're going to import asterisk. That'll make sense in a little while. Now, we're going to create a definition here to record the screen with audio. Almost butchered that. And let's do that for a duration of 10. Nice. Well, you know what? Let me bring back that. Let's bring back our screen capture as well, so we can see that. That's a lot nicer to look at, isn't it? Okay, so now let's set an output file name. You can set this to whatever you want. It'll matter here in a second, whatever you did set it to, but I'm going to call it output.mp4. And let's close the bracket, or close parentheses. There we go. Okay. And let's set our screen width and height with the pyautogui.size function. Screen width, screen height. We're going to set that with pyautogui.size. Oh, and you know what? I need to put my number. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and set the original mouse position. This may come in handy for some of you sometimes. I like having the mouse in view. But we'll go ahead and code it in anyway. Position. Yeah, so this time we're using pyautogui.position instead of size. Now moving on, we're going to hit the mouse movements. This will be indented over apologize. We are going to use pyautogui move. .move to. That's what we're going to use. And that is a capital T-O 00. We'll get that out of the way so that it hides up in the top left corner. Okay. Next, we're going to create a temp file for everything to sit in and be nice and happy out of the way. So the temp file, everything will sit in. Then it'll delete it when we're done, and it'll have an MP4 left. So we need temp file equals temp.mp4. And let's quotation this temp.mp4. Moving on, we're going to use ffmpeg to record the screen with the audio. ffmpeg, command. So, we will do that. This is a little complicated. We need F4 and need that. Okay, ff mpeg underscore cmd equals, and we begin our fun code here. We need to bam go dead air, big time. Big time dead air. Big time. Yeah, this is complicated. X11 grab. We're going to put in some coordinates, -s of our nice bracket. So now we have the screen width and screen height. Let's make sure to underscore that. Screen width out of our bracket now. Now let's make another one by, and new brackets. We're going to do screen height. Minus I. Colon. And we're going to set our coordinates 0.0. Okay, so now we set the other part of the handle. So this will be F, and we are setting negative F also. Negative AC2. Negative I default. Negative D. And let's excuse me. For duration, I'm sure that's going to sound lovely. We have no editing here. libx264. that should be lib. Strict experimental. So, if you're still following along here, go ahead and like and subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when awesome scripts like this are being dropped. And then you can come and you can make them with me. And then you can have some software for the rest of your life that's going to help you. And maybe you can help someone else. You know, that's what it's all about. So where are we? So we are at experimental -R30, and then we're going to put in our temp file. We are getting so close to being somewhere on this. I can feel it. And I can see the end of the script. Okay, so we got our temp file, bam. That's in, that's all in. Okay, now let's go ahead and tell it to wait until the recording is finished to move on. So we're going to put in a... No, actually we're going to put in a subprocess to pop up. Yes. Let's back you up. Too far away. Okay, so now we are going to tell a subprocess to tab, hop in, open. We are going to set that to ffmpeg command. Comma, shell equals true. Now, we are going to tell it to wait until the recording is finished. What? We'll do that with time. Dot sleep. We'll set that for duration. That we defined earlier. Now, moving on, we're going to move the mouse back to its original location when we're done recording. So we will do that with pyautogui.move. And we're going to set that to original, the original mouse position, right? And original mouse position Y. Okay. We are so close to being done. Now next, we're going to convert the temporary video files and stuff that we're making into an MP4 that we can use, you know, to send on YouTube or email to our buddies or whatever. We can compress this too. It's already going to be small. But here we go. So we're going to do that. We're going to have to set some things. We're going to have to make a definition here. So we're going to set video clip. Okay, so we're converting the clip that we've done converting the temporary file that we just made to an MP4 now using moviepy. We're going to do that with video clip equals video file. Video file clip, and we're going to use temp file as the destination. Next, we are going video clip write video file, and we're going to use output file name. So video clip dot write underscore video file. This is output underscore file name. Okay, so now we need to close the video clip and delete the temporary files. So what we're going to do is bring video clip.close. And then we're going to use OS remove temp file to get rid of the temporary files. Okay, now we're going to close out underscore equal underscore. Okay. And let's add an ability to set a different record duration. So you can do like 10 seconds or 10 minutes, you know, depending on your hardware and what you're up to, what you need it for. So maybe you need a movie, maybe you need a whole YouTube video, maybe you just need a few seconds. So yeah, maybe you just need a few seconds, maybe you need longer. So we're going to do that by setting record duration. We're going to declare record underscore duration. And you can set this to whatever you need. Now I'm going to set it to 90 seconds. And let's go ahead and allow you to rename the output file. So we're going to go with output file name is equal to our captured video.mp4. And anything else? Let's record screen. With audio. Set the duration equal to record duration. And let's go ahead and set that output file name equals output file name. All right, let's let's indent that. No, actually, bring it to there. Okay, that's probably looking good. So if you've been here this long, what we're doing again is making a screen capture with audio using our moviepy to encode the MP4 and using some other cool features like pyautogui to hide the mouse and move it back into place and remember where it's at for a little while. But anyway, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and please hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. You guys are awesome. Take it easy. We'll see you next time.